y'all, and thanks for tuning in to another Country Geisha vlog. So we are out here in San Mateo, out in the Bay Area, and we're gonna go eat some pho, so come along with me. So we are out here in San Mateo. We're trying this new pho spot that I've been wanting to try. I've seen it all over TikTok, and then I realized that it's right here in the Bay Area. So I drove about 30 minutes to San Mateo, and here we are. Today I ordered 2 of the pho shots, and we got Don Julio tequila inside the pho shot. So I ordered the Phozilla with the lobster, and I got the marrow with it as well, and the ribs, so I'm really excited about that. It's about $95, and it's supposed to feed like 2 or 3. Is there any way we can get like more of the fat in the soup? And so after that, I got this lychee coconut drink. I'm excited to try that because I'm not really big on coconut, but I love lychee. So I got the Chef Choice sampler. It comes with the banh. It's something that comes in this roll with some pork, and you dip it into like fish sauce. And then the spring roll is pretty simple. It's fresh rolled paper with shrimp and veggies and noodles. So I'm excited to eat that. It's not bad. It actually tastes really good, yeah. No, it's actually like just a hint of coconut. You got a little bit, it's like that can of lychee. So it's not like the fresh fruit lychee. So it gives it like that syrup, more sweeter syrup taste, but it's a good mix. And it's frozen. It's like a smoothie is what it is. So there is a fried egg roll in here. I'll try this one out. Nice and crunchy. It's got pork in it. It's a regular egg roll. It's kind of different, but pretty good. A little too hard though. Alright. This is the bun hook. This is the chef sampler. That's really good. The fish sauce is kind of like sweet, gives it the flavor. Without the fish sauce, it would not taste good at all. It's another spring roll. And so this is with the peanut sauce. This is, I guess, the Vietnamese people call it like the nam, N-E-M. So I'll try that. And then I have here is the shrimp. This is the shrimp spring roll. Really good as well. Very fresh. And now I'm about to get down and dirty. That's why I got to tie up my hair for me to eat some pho. I'm about to get messy. So how you get messy is you just eat and you don't care what anybody else says about you. So I'm gonna try this. Here is the pho. So, ooh, and I asked for extra marrow too. That's bomb. Look at all that fat. This fat is just amazing. Oh my god, so they got the fat noodles. The fat noodles are like my favorite. This lobster's just staring at me. It's like, don't eat me. I think the only thing I would want is more fish sauce. Or like a hoisin sauce. The lobster claw. So they made the sauce with it. You see it? This is a sauce. With the claw. It's really good. It's kind of like a buttery sauce, but it has a little sweetness to it. Not really used to that when it comes to lobster. I'm used to just like the butter garlicky sauce, so this is a little different. A little butter garlicky, but with sweetness to it. So, gotta get into this.
Dip it in this lobster sauce though. Yeah, I mean, this brisket is good in the pho, but it needs some sauce to it, so dipping in this lobster sauce actually gives it more flavor. $95 pho.
So this here is the pho broth, and about to take a shot of pho, and this is Don Julio Anejo tequila. So I would have went with Hennessy, but I was like, Hennessy with pho? I don't know. I mean, I've taken shots and eaten pho, but it's like, gotta try something a little different. So this is supposed to be the pho shot. So there's some bone marrow in here now. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get the broth into the bowls. It's gonna be all in the shot. All that marrow in there. That's that good juicy stuff. The marrow is like all the fat. That green onions in there. So what we're supposed to do is you're supposed to take a shot of the tequila and then the pho. Or no, wait, maybe it's the pho and then the shot. I don't know about y'all. I feel like the fuzz. No, I think the fuzz the chaser. Because the tequila is nasty. The fuzz the chaser. Okay, ready? Cheers.
Oh. Ooh.
I got a piece still.
It does taste weird with the pho. That anejo though, woo, tastes good.
I don't know. I'm not a tequila person, but I was not about to go pho and then tequila. I was going to go tequila first because I was supposed to be your chaser. It does taste a little weird, but I'm actually okay with it only because I've always eaten like pho and then I had like shots of Hennessy. Actually, I got a Hennessy instead. I thought they were going to mix it. That's why I was confused and I got it like that. But oh well. That was actually a little different type of experience though. Or were you supposed to mix it? I'm so confused. I don't know. That's how I did it. I'm so full. No, I just feel like I like my pho with more flavor, and because it didn't have as much flavor as I thought it would. But I guess like lots of phos don't have a lot of flavor in it. So I think for $95, if it had more flavor, then yes, it'd be worth it. But I'd say maybe $60 for this bowl. It was up to me. It's lacking flavor, you know. That's just my point of view. So after pho, I decided to get some boba. I got the mango snow. So it's got like mango jelly on it. It's like a slushie. I was craving some desserts. And so I was like, I'll set up a boba. So here we go. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog today, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!